Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Infiniti V8 and the problem with this car is that sometime misfire car and engine light on, shearing car misfire like this. So when I checked with my diagnosis tool, I got fault cylinder 1 and cylinder 2 misfire. Also multi-cylinder misfire. Fault code P0302 P0301. Okay. So today I will show you how you can solve this problem, this V8 engine misfire, and where is the location cylinder 1 and 2. Okay, yeah, front side, this is engine, and here you can see this is cylinder 1 and this one 2. So when I remove cylinder 1 to plug and coil, I see there is some problem in cylinder 2 ignition coil. I will show you now. This side cylinder 2. See, I remove already cylinder 2 ignition coil, and you can see here ignition coil damage. See, there is short. So this ignition coil damage, that's the problem. Okay, and also we check in the cylinder plug. That's plug also not good. This is number 1, and that side, and this is number 2 cylinder. Okay, so if your car have same problem, replace ignition coil and then replace plug. Okay, see, this plug also